My name is Christina Lefevre, and I am President and Volunteer Director of Pollinator Project Rogue Valley here in Phoenix, Oregon.
Hi, I'm Ethan Robinson. I'm the Pollinator Pals Education Program Coordinator here with the Pollinator Project.
Hi, my name is Tina Beaver. I'm the Program Coordinator for From Fire to Flowers, which is a program with the Pollinator Project.
Hi, I'm Zhu Parker, and I am the Nursery Manager.
Hey, I just want to let you know about our mission here at Pollinator Project Rogue Valley. We are inspiring and engaging and educating people, youth and adults, about the importance of our native pollinators and our native plants, and inviting them to help us bring back the pollinators by doing one thing: plant a plant, plant a garden, and watch it happen. And I just want to thank Southern Oregon Subaru for supporting us. They are supporting so many nonprofits here in the Rogue Valley, and we're honored to be part of that group, and that you see the vision too, that helping get more native plants in people's gardens and landscapes is the way to make Southern Oregon a more sustainable and beautiful place for people and pollinators. Thank you, Southern Oregon Subaru.
Hi, I'm Zhu, and I am the Nursery Manager here at Pollinator Project Rogue Valley. And thanks to Subaru's sponsorship, I was able to get this job and have more opportunities to learn about native plants and spread the awareness and why promoting natives are really important in our Rogue Valley.
Hi, my name is Tina Beaver. I'm the Program Coordinator for Pollinator Project's From Fire to Flowers program. We collaborate with the community to bring back native plants to homes that were devastated in the Alameda fire. With the help of Southern Oregon Subaru, we're able to use our own plants that are grown in the Pollinator Project's nursery. Thanks, Southern Oregon Subaru.
I run our youth education program, so getting to carry tables and canopies and kids' activities, arts and crafts is really important for my job. So I really appreciate having a car that can handle that sort of thing.